students, welcome to my channel Reshma Physics. In this video, let us discuss about the next important SAQ of chapter 5, laws of motion. State Newton's second law of motion. Okay, and hence derive the equation of motion F equal to ma. So first let us write down the statement. What is the statement? The rate of change of momentum. Okay, the rate of change of, rate means something divided by time in physics, dp by dt, where dp is the change in momentum of a body is directly proportional to external force. So external force acting on the body and it is in direction of force. That is dp by dt proportional to f. Now let us go for the derivation of f equal to ma. Let f be the external force applied on body, m mass of body, v velocity of body. Now momentum P equal to mv. Rate of change of momentum, what we will write? D by dt of P is equal to d by dt of mv. That is dp by dt is equal to, m is constant, I am writing outside, m dv by dt. What is the change in velocity? Rate of change of velocity is nothing but acceleration. So dv by dt is equal to a, acceleration. What is ma? From mass into, here k is the proportionality constant. Right? K is the proportionality constant. Okay. Now next. Now from equation 1, now put k equal to 1. dp by dt is equal to ma. From here, dp by dt is nothing but, from Newton's second law, it is nothing but force. Substitute F equal to ma. So hence derived F equal to ma. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, share it, subscribe it. Stay with my channel to receive the other short answer questions of chapter 5.